guys, I'm Lucy and this is Tangerine Quarantine. Today I'm going to be making some banana bread, so I hope you enjoy.
So here is everything that you will need.
Everything you need is a loaf tin or
Something to put your banana bread in.
and some baking paper. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to line our tin. To make it stick to your tin, we're going to get some butter. I'm going to use some kitchen roll and get the butter on the kitchen roll, rub inside the tin, all the way around.
Now that you've put butter inside your tin,
I'm going to put the paper in and make sure it sticks to the sides.
and we're going to put that to one side for later.
Before we start cooking, we're going to wash our hands. First thing we're going to do is mash our bananas. So I've peeled mine. I'm going to put it in my bowl. With a fork, I'm just going to mash it. So put a bit of pressure on it and just repeat this until it's all mashed.
Then I'll add in my next banana and add in all of them.
So I've mashed all of them. Okay, so I've mixed my banana now, just a bit of mush.
I'm going to put that to one side for later. And now we're going to sieve in our flour into our bigger bowl using a sieve. So I've measured out my 225 grams of flour in another bowl.
I'm just going to put that in. I can't do it without making a mess.
So we're going to add the baking powder, just a teaspoon. Just going to grab another fork to give that a stir.
Then we're going to add in our butter.
Plastic plate. Just got that bang on. Okay, I'm now going to chop this into little squares.
So my butter's now in little squares. I'm going to put this in my flour. I forgot, we've got to preheat the oven. So for a fan oven, it's 180 degrees. And for a gas oven, it's gas 4. Now we have our butter in with the flour. We're going to put our hands in to make breadcrumbs. So, I'm just going to mix them together and like kind of break it apart like that. So, my hands, yeah. So I'm going to wash my hands now that mine is done. This is what mine looks like now. I'm now going to crack my eggs into a smaller bowl, which we need a cup. So we need 2 eggs. I'm going to grab our fork again and I'm just going to
Mix it until all you can see is yellow.
a second egg. And then we'll mix this one as well. Then we're going to add our eggs to our mixture and then stir it in. All the egg is mixed in. Now we're going to add in the sugar. So we're going to weigh out 125 grams.
We'll add in the sugar
Into our mixture as well.
So mix it all in so you can't see any more white sugar.
And we're going to add in our banana from earlier and then mix it all together. It's really nice. So it looks like this. And try a little bit. Tastes good. So now we're going to put it into our bread tin that we prepared earlier. And when it's in, we're just going to mix it into the corners to make sure it's all level. In the oven for 40 to 50 minutes. So I'm going to check it at 40 to see how it's going. And remember to use oven gloves when you don't need them. I've just checked mine by pushing in a fork, and then when it comes out it's clear. So I'm going to get mine out now. Make sure you're using your oven gloves. Smells really nice. We're now going to let it cool for about 10 minutes before putting it on a cooling rack. Just taking it out of the baking paper. I'm going to leave it on the cooling rack to carry on cooling down. It looks good. So there's my banana bread. I'm really excited to try it. That is good.